Hello, this video about how to prepare microgreens, for ready time. Ready. When you cut it, I just cut it with scissors, I cut them when it was grew, and then I look because sometimes it stay on it, It's stay on it, this seeds cover. You just by hands, it's not difficult, You just clean it to make it like some good use, some clean and good thing, tasty, It can be like spaghetti, green spaghetti, and you clean it like this. If you have some roots, you don't need them. So then you can wash it. You can wash it and good wash, to take all things. You can look, sometimes it can stay some. Okay, and then you can eat. It's not difficult. But sometimes there is questions about this. Okay, see you. Bye bye.